Tensions remain high along the LOC, even as security forces intensified anti-terror operations in the Kashmir Valley in the aftermath of the Falgam terror attack that killed 26 people, mostly tourists, on April 22nd. The Indian Army responded effectively to the Pakistan Army firing along the line of control, LOC, on the night of April 26th to 27th in areas opposite the Tutmari Gali and Rampur sectors, officials said. The Indian Army said its own troops responded effectively with appropriate small arms fire. Meanwhile, Kulgam police, in a coordinated operation with the Army and CRPF, arrested 2 terrorist associates and recovered a cache of arms and ammunition in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. According to an official release, during a routine checkpoint established at Matalhama Chowk Thokarpora, Kaimo, 2 individuals were intercepted and subsequently arrested. They have been identified as Bilal Ahmad Bhatt, son of Abdul Salam Bhatt, and Maud Ismail Bhatt, son of Ghulam Muhammad Bhatt, both residents of Thokarpora, Kaimo. Upon their search, security forces recovered 2 pistols, 2 pistol magazines, and 25 rounds of pistol ammunition from their possession. A case under relevant sections of law has been registered at Police Station Kaimo, and an investigation has been launched to probe further.